Okay. So, ma'am, can you just tell me your name and where do you work?
I'm Shiba. I'm working with IIM Lucknow as the Academic Associate to Strategic Management Group.
Okay.
I'm Pratima Singh. I'm working in IIM Lucknow as a teaching assistant in HR department.
I'm Shakti Chaturvedi. I have been recently appointed in HR department as teaching assistant, and before this I was doing my graduation from Delhi University.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Ankita Singh. I'm working as academic assistant in marketing area.
Okay. So, ma'am, how are your work hours like? Is it very hectic?
No, actually, we think we are enjoying this workplace too, and the working hours too.
Okay.
They are very much according to our flexibility, and whenever we want a holiday, we are provided with that.
No, actually, it's a typical 9 to 5 job, but the best thing is that it's also academic and I'm pursuing my PhD, so both the things are combined. So I hardly feel like some office atmosphere. It's more like study and come creative environment is more about it.
Okay. Ma'am, you?
It's a great working place. A lot of learning experiences, be it research or attending the classes along with our professors, and it's a bit satisfying and satisfying and good working place.
Okay. So, ma'am, can you just tell me your life, describe your life in one word? If I'd ask you, what would it be? In one word.
It's quite difficult. Describing just one word. Aspiring.
Aspiring.
Yeah.
I have to describe this working place.
No, your work.
My work.
Your life in one word.
Live life king.
Fun and balanced.
Fun and balanced.
I just live life king style.
Okay.
More about peace of my mind and of my choice, whatever I get in here.
Okay.
I can't describe it in one word. I can't.
But it's satisfactory.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you wear jewelry? Do you buy jewelry?
Yeah.
What sort of jewelry do you usually prefer? Bangles, earrings, neck, bracelets?
In office, generally I prefer studs,
Okay.
ears, and very formal jewelry.
Formal jewelry. What about?
Depends upon for outings we have different requirements, and for coming out to office it's more about formal like
No, not really occasion specific, but generally what you wear most? Neck piece or finger rings or probably
earrings.
earrings mostly.
Finger ring.
Mostly earrings or at times rings. It depends. Like in office, I don't prefer to wear much of the jewelry, but
Okay.
like in occasions, it changes.
Okay. So do you buy jewelry for yourself, or since you're working now for your probably mom or anybody in your family?
We are often taken advice from our elders also. Like if my mom is buying something, she'll take my advice that are you liking the jewelry or not. So it is
Okay.
that.
And it's more about we generally go out with our parents or some elder to buy some it's an expensive thing. Though we are working, but we like to get if we
Their
are buying it
opinion.
for somebody else, then
Yeah.
we like to have his or her choice that
Okay.
it's fine or not. And for myself, even that I need my mom or my sister along with me to select the best one.
Okay.
My mama buys all the jewelry for me.
Okay. So do you have any design preference in particular? Since there are a lot of variety in the market, there are white gold jewelry, white stone jewelry, silver jewelry, colored gems and all. Is there any preference in particular?
It's
You like
mostly
white
white
gold?
gold, and we also proceed like how much carat is it.
Okay.
Like because 24 carat is mostly the purest form of having much of the gold in that, the purest form of gold.
Okay.
And we mostly prefer from 18
It's not
from
generally
18 to
available.
22 carat. Like 18 carat has 75% of gold, so it's more of for the daily use. So we see that thing in mind, and also we do certain research work in our net and see the designs what all suits to our taste and all.
Okay. So you do discuss it amongst your friends also if
We
somebody...
generally it's a typical girl's mentality. If she thought to buy something, they'll discuss. Oh, this is nice. We are planning to buy this.
Okay.
So do you think it's right? If they are pricing it rightly, this design is in or it's out.
Have you buy
Okay.
this year?
Yeah.
So like suppose your friend has already bought it and you are not looking forward to any particular event right now for which you would wear it. Still you would go to buy it, or you'll wait for any
It
occasion?
depends upon the kind of a jewelry. Like you're saying white gold, we'll not go instantly. For silver things, we can definitely go.
Okay.
And if the stone is on
We can
silver,
also go for multicolored ones.
yeah, multicolored stones
gems and
on
stones.
silver, that is not that much costly, and that can be handled with like instant buying, or like if we are feeling like to go, that's
Okay.
fine. But for gold, we have to think back. Do we really need or not?
Okay. So whenever you go to purchase, do you face any sort of problems related to variety? There's not sufficient variety in the market, or the price is probably not worth the jewelry. That sort of problem you've encountered?
I think if you go to the local goldsmith and all,
Okay.
then they don't have much varieties. But if you go for a brand, then they have much varieties in jewelries.
The issue comes that like we are in office, we search and surf on net. So the designs on net, and sometimes they are fake sites also. They are giving imitations, but their designs are fabulous. So we have in mind that kind of a design, and we go to a local jewelry maker. So that you can say that the imagination and the reality is a bit different. But if we go to branded stores, then what we find, like if my mom is along with me, she generally calculates the price of the gold, the current price of the gold, and how much they are charging as a making price.
Okay, yeah,
There is a difference.
Yeah.
So if we just calculate the difference of making, like if you take any branded store, I want to name them, they have huge difference with that. Maybe like if the difference would have been like reasonable, we could have won it. But the difference is huge. Like for a simple thing is that making for a 10,000 chain, like neck chain, not right now, the current price, I'm not talking about the current gold price. They were charging 3,000 for the making of a gold chain. So that was like, it was too much. And for a local jeweler, they will charge 500, 700, 1,000, that's maximum.
Okay. So is this problem been encountered by any particular brand, or generally
See,
across?
for buying of gold, we generally trust the like if you can say
Family
family
jeweler.
jeweler.
Local traditional jeweler.
Okay.
Yeah, we trust them. Even if you take the example of current like gold prices were rising, and we thought that in Diwali it would rise. So I'll name the store which we called up. We called up Tanishq especially, and we inquired that we want to buy the 10-gram coin which you are
Okay.
supplying, and we asked that will you be buying that back also. So the price difference, they were taking a cut on that, was like percentage was quite huge, like it was just double what our jeweler was giving.
Okay.
Double, or you can say 2.5 times like more. So we were like, it's the same thing, they're giving a certificate, even the next day we are going to change it. It's not a jewelry, it's just a commodity priced something like that. So that's a laid back thing, like
Okay.
these are the laid back things we want to do.
Okay. So, but then again, there are designs in the market, like there are many floral designs in the market. There are some very intricate designs which are more occasion specific, heavy jewelry. And then there are designs in these colored gems, ruby, sapphire they use. So when you see the designs, what comes to your mind? Like suppose if you see a white stone jewelry, okay, there's a very subtle neck piece, it's in silver with a white stone pendant in it. So what comes to your mind when you look at this? Is it too less of a jewelry, or it's very subtle and you can probably wear it to office, or it's not, like, you know, it should be a little more heavier to call it a jewelry? I mean, what sort of things come to your mind when you see such jewelry?
For me, I think it is the best buy because I don't go for heavy jewelry.
Okay.
I don't like actually.
Okay.
Even if it is an occasion of my family rituals or anything of that sort of, or an office, I wear only simple jewelries, very simple and sleek. So I think this will be the best buy. And the second thing which will come to my mind, as human minds are very price sensitive, so price, I'll be looking at it.
Because
Then I'll
to
be
me
thinking
it looks so cool. So yeah, sleek jewelry and
So-
a long chain.
Okay. So price is one of the influencing factors in the purchase.
And the design also.
And the design. Any other factor? Does brand matter?
Yeah.
It matters. Okay.
And the quality certificate which they give.
Okay. Okay.
Hallmark certification, whether it's there or not.
Okay. So, do you think the jewelry whichever you buy, it depicts your personality in any manner?
Of course, yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
Like my mom always wear she hardly wears a simple gold jewelry. She always has a gem or even a pearl attached to the jewelry. So it's just like you can say that she likes that way. Or
Simple.
It's a simple like people do wear simple gold jewelry and carved with designs and all that, but she prefers with a gem, and that's there. It depicts her personality now. That if anybody comes down like, okay, you like this kind of antique thing or thing, so maybe she's, you can say, personality or whatever. She likes that kind of a jewelry.
Okay. So like she mentioned that she likes very subtle things, so probably the simple silver chain with a pendant would be the best buy for her. What about you? Which one would you suit in your personality? What sort of jewelry you'll associate with yourself?
Simplicity is the first preference, but for me it's not necessary like always. For me it's like the occasions also matters. Like if I am going to a marriage party, so I need a big heavy jewelry, and for simple occasion while coming to office it should be simple and give you a formal look also. So it depends.
So it's not very specific. It depends on the occasion for you. Ma'am, you? Trendy?
No, yeah, trendy though hai, but I mean, not heavy jewelry. I don't like heavy jewelry.
Okay.
Because, carrying a heavy jewelry is like a burden on your body. But sleek and which look cool on me.
Okay.
I have one chain. It's a long chain and having one pendant. A symbol of purity and fertility. It looks cool whenever I used to wear it. It looks cool on me.
Okay. So, ma'am, is there enough variety in the market according to you with respect to designs?
Again, I think we should answer that brands like that.
Yeah, they have better pendants and all that.
Nakshatra,
Small and
Azmi, all these have a lot of variety.
Okay. So, like you mentioned that you surf on the net and you find some designs. You think those designs are available in the market, or there's a lack of?
If I go and search in like stores of Delhi, so I think whatever I think and whatever I want to pursue, I
You
actually
get it.
Yeah,
Okay.
but again, when it comes to Lucknow or UP or anything of that sort of local place and very small place, things change accordingly. Yeah.
So, what brands do you associate with jewelry? Few I came across when we were
Nakshatra,
talking.
Asmi, and this Tanishq.
Tanishq are really nice, small pendants and small like solitaires also.
Yeah.
They're very nicely.
Okay.
We generally take the designs and go out to our local jeweler. Can you make this kind of a thing? We do
Okay.
it.
So I'll just show you few designs. Just tell me which is more appealing to you. Okay.
This is good.
It's the pendants. For floral designs, colored stones, neckpiece,
This is good.
ring again.
Yeah, this one is
Okay.
and the next one.
This
and the
one.
next one. Yeah.
Okay.
See, when it's too floral and too body,
Okay.
it hardly affects being a real gold.
Okay.
That's what the mentality in India, and especially in Lucknow, when it's too gaudy and it depends, like it's more of something imitated, or it resembles to something very popular as artificial jewelry in the market. So we hardly go for that kind of a design, because that will hardly depict that gold thing. Like it gives a serene look when you see small, like what do you say, sleek designs. That gives like it's a gold thing or a silver thing. But when you go for a gaudy and that colorful fluorescent thing, big things, then it hardly depicts it's real gold.
Okay. Any designs amongst this?
This
This one?
So yeah, but again, see, the thing is, it hardly depicts being silver, gold or something. It's
No,
more
it's
of,
just a little artistic towards the
so
artistic end.
if this much of an artistic thing we prefer, then we'll go for some imitation or
Okay.
artificial thing.
Okay.
This fits nice.
This one is-
This is something
Okay.
we'll go for it. This is also nice.
Okay.
This is giving real touch of a gold and
Okay.
sleek thing, you can say.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you.